How to delete your Apple ID account permanently on iPhone. Firstly, open the Settings application on your iPhone device and click on the profile shown on the top. Once you're inside, scroll all the way down and you can sign out. Make sure that you back up your photos and documents on iCloud before deleting your Apple ID. Now, simply open a web browser of your choice and search privacy.apple.com. Now you can simply click on the website shown. Once you're inside, you will be required to put in your password of your Apple ID. Now on the website, scroll all the way down until you see Delete Your Account. Simply tap on Request to delete your account. Now make sure that you read through all of these terms and conditions. And all the way at the bottom, you are required to select a reason why you are deleting your account. Simply choose any of these options and select Continue. Now you can read through the important things to know before deleting your account and simply select the Continue. And that's it. This is how you can permanently delete your Apple ID on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.